I'm here to invite the apparel and textile industry of Brazil to visit our shows, Brazil International Apparel Sourcing Show 2018 and Dye+Chem Brazil 2018. What we are trying to do is we are trying to build a bridge between Asia and Latin America so that the Brazilian buyers can come and visit the show. They can come and interact directly and network directly with the manufacturers and suppliers from Asia. So we are talking about apparel sourcing companies, we are talking about apparel manufacturers, we are talking about textile and yarn manufacturers, we are talking about dye stuff and chemical manufacturers, which are all coming to these shows from Asia to network with Brazilian buyers. The shows are being organized by CEMS Global USA. I'm from CEMS Global USA. My name is S.S. Sarwar and I'm the Group CEO of the company. I'm here to invite once again the Brazilian buyers to come and visit the shows and network with the Asian manufacturers and suppliers. At CEMS Global, we organize about 40 shows in 7 countries. We have shows on various trade subjects. We entered Brazil about 4 years back with our shows, and this is the 3rd edition of these shows. And the shows have been doing great. They have been really doing great. The shows are being held at Expo Center Pro Magno, which is in Sao Paulo, and it's going to be held from 28th to 30th August 2018. I really look forward to welcoming all the buyers of Brazil and Latin America to our shows to create that networking and that bridge between Asia and Latin America. Thank you very much.